Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find your promo code on Chime. So let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Invite Friends. On the Invite Friends page, tap Share Your Link. A sharing menu will appear, giving you the option to send your referral link through the text message, social media, email, or other apps. If you only need your promo code, simply copy your referral link and take a look at the last part of the URL. The characters that appears after the final forward slash are your unique referral or promo code. Keep in mind that every Chime user has a different code, so yours will be unique to your account. You can then share that code or referral link with friends and family to invite them to Chime. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.